Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and I'll show you how to switch on a switch off screen touches in screen recording on our device. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that scroll down to the advanced features here. Now just scroll a little bit more down and tap to the screenshots and screen recorder. Here you'll see the show taps and touches switcher. It's turned off. Just to turn it on, you should click here once on this switcher, and that's it. And sure, just to turn off the touches, you should just click again on the touches switcher. And that's it. So as can you see, that's really simple. And also we got the second way how we can launch the screen recorder settings. I think that's more faster way. So you just should open the notification panel, and somewhere here you'll find the screen recorder icon. Just hold for a while this icon by this way, and you'll launch also the screen recorder settings. So that's it. That's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.